So I think that California Girls was the most creative music video I've done. That was directed by this guy named Matthew Cullen, and also art directed by this artist named Will Cotton. Will Cotton was the guy that painted the album cover, and he had a big part in the California Girls music video because he developed all these props and these larger-than-life candy cane trees. The trees became snakes at one point. There was just a lot to intake in that video, and Snoop Dogg, of course, was a great part. A lot of humor, which I love, from the gummy bears flicking me off to being able to bury Snoop in the sand. I was just so happy with it when I saw it at the very end. I just couldn't believe that we created this fun kind of alternate world.